A kiss blown is a kiss wasted. The only kind of kiss is a kiss tasted. Okay, my name is Ryan Leon Guerrero, and today I'm going to present a poem. And this poem is entitled The Reasons I Love You. I was inspired to write this poem by my girlfriend, Tina Trump. Your natural beauty shines brighter than the sun. Your eyes draw my attention and leave me wondering. Left in amazement with the simple touch. Why was I blessed with such a beautiful angel? You're the last person I speak to at night, yet the very first voice I hear by sunrise. And because I have you, a part of my life, I look forward to the following day. The taste of your lips, which is sweeter than a triple fudge chocolate cake, and how your smile brightens up my day like the sun's rays shining through the clouds on a rainy day. The way you tell me that everything will be fine, and when we're together, nothing else matters. How you're extremely sweet and understanding, the way your personality lets off warm colors like the rainbow, and even though we don't see each other every day, somehow we find a way to make this work. The sweet sound of your voice that peacefully puts me to bed, followed by those 4 words, I love you, Rai. The wonderful fragrance of your soft, black hair, and how there's never a dull moment when we're together. How every day you send me a quote, that no matter how bad my day is going, you seem to make it better. The way your hand fits perfectly in mine, your lovely laugh and giggle, how our favorite number is 16, and 6 minus 1 equals 5, and you became a part of my life on August 5th.
Wow.
So like our 3 songs, for the very first time, I was dancing in the moonlight because you're the reason I smile. Love was just a word until you came along and gave it a definition. And for these very reasons and many more, I love you. Thank you.
My pants is stuck to my bag.